welcome to polynomials. We are in 3.3 exercise. Yesterday I have given 3.3 some topics. I think you have done all those. If you have any doubts, post your doubts my WhatsApp number or else mail ID. I will clarify in this class. If you have any doubts in today's class, post at evening. Tomorrow I will give some more clarified. Okay, children, let's start. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Yesterday we have done problems on this topic. T square minus 15. T square minus 15. Find the zeros of the polynomial. T square minus 15. Let T square minus 15 equal to 0. T square minus 15 equal to 0. It is like a square minus b square, but not fully. Here t square, but not 15 square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Already you have known this formula. So we can write t square minus 15, we can write root 15 whole square. Root 15 whole square equal to 0. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So we can write t plus root 15 into t minus root 15 equal to 0. T plus root 15 equal to 0 or t minus root 15 equal to 0. T equal to minus root 15 or t equal to plus root 15. T equal to plus root 15. Those are the zeros. Those are the zeros. Therefore, zeros of the given polynomial are 15 comma minus root 15. Root 15 minus comma minus root 15. These are the zeros. Okay, children. Now sum of zeros minus b by a. This equal to, what is minus b? T square minus 15. B means 0 here. Sum of elements minus b by a or root 15 minus root 15 0. So 0 by root 15, 0 by 1, 0 by 1 equal to 0. So product of elements product of zeros or elements. C by a. C means minus 15. Minus C by a. Minus 15. C by a. Minus 15 by 1. also product of elements alpha beta root 15 into minus root 15 also minus 50. Okay children, have you understood? Okay, next second one, find the quadratic polynomial polynomial in each case with the given numbers of as with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. Zeros respectively. I think everyone has textbook. So watch in your textbook. So page number 67. Page number 67. The second. The first one. 1 by 4. 1. What is asked? 1 by 4 minus 1. Find the quadratic polynomial in each case with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. Sum and product of its zeros respectively. Here are the zeros given. We find their sum and product. Then after we find the polynomial. Let alpha equal to 1 by 4. Beta equal to minus 1. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. Alpha plus beta equal to 1 by 4 plus beta minus 1. So minus 1. 4 LCM 1 minus 4 minus 3 by 4. So product of zeros alpha beta 1 by 4 into minus 1 minus 1 by 4. So now the required quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial equal to quadratic polynomial is very important formula. X squared minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. X squared minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. X squared or else you eliminate 0 also. x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Substitute in this equal to x square minus what is alpha plus beta? Minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. X. What is alpha beta? Minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. Now take LCM. 4 LCM. Otherwise, you can do like this, no problem. Leave it. This is the polynomial x square minus 3 by 4x minus 1 by 4. X square minus 3 by 4x minus 1 by 4. Next, the 0 root 5, the third one, 0 alpha equal to 0, beta equal to root 5, alpha 0, beta root 5. Sum of zeros, alpha plus beta equal to 0 plus root 5 equal to root 5. So product of zeros, alpha beta equal to 0 into root 5, 0. It's very important, simplification. 0 plus root 5, root 5. 0 into root 5, 0. 0 into anything, 0. 0 into anything, 0. You don't forget. Okay, children? Now substitute. The quadratic polynomial is what is the formula? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So write 10 times in your HW book. Practice for children. X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Here what is alpha plus beta? Root 5. Substitute. X square minus alpha plus beta root 5 x plus alpha beta 0 plus alpha beta 0. This is equal to x square minus root 5x. That's it. That is the required polynomial. In second, Roman 5th, minus 1 by 4, alpha equal to minus 1 by 4, beta equal to 1 by 4, beta equal to 1 by 4. These are the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros, alpha beta. Sum of elements are zeros. We call zeros, sum of zeros. Alpha plus beta equal to minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. How much? Minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 0. Or 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 0. Alpha plus beta 0. Product of zeros. Product means into alpha beta equal to substitute minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 into what is minus value into plus value? Minus 1 by 4 into 4, 16. Minus 1 by 16. Now the quadratic polynomial is the quadratic polynomial is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Substitute in this x square. What is alpha plus beta? 0. 0x plus alpha beta minus 1 by 16. So 0 into x 0. We leave it. X square minus 1 by 16. This is the polynomial, required polynomial. This is the required polynomial. Remaining second, fourth and sixth you can do at home. It's for home task. In this session HW, for HW, for HW alpha equal to root 2 beta equal to 1 by 3. Second one, alpha equal to 1, beta equal to 1. Sixth one, alpha equal to 4, beta equal to 1. These are for HW. And also let's move another topic. That is also similarly like this. Find the quadratic polynomial for the zeros alpha beta given in each case. This is also same like. Find the quadratic polynomial. Find the quadratic polynomial for the zeros. For the zeros alpha beta given in each case. Each case. Here first one alpha equal to 2, beta equal to minus 1. Alpha to beta minus 1. Quadratic polynomial. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros alpha plus beta 2 minus 1 1. Product of zeros alpha beta 2 into minus 1. If we write minus into minus, put bracket around the minus value. This is equal to minus 2. Minus 2. So quadratic polynomial is quadratic quadratic polynomial is, write the formula, x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. This equal to, substitute these values, x square, what is alpha plus beta, 1x, what is alpha beta, minus 2. If you want to write minus values, compulsory put bracket around that minus value number, put bracket. Next, x square minus 1 into x minus x plus into minus minus 2. This is the quadratic polynomial. Already, if the quadratic polynomial is given, we find the zeros. Now, if the zeros are given, we find the quadratic equation. Have you understood, children? Okay. Equal to root 3. Beta equal to minus root 3. Beta equal to minus root 3. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. Alpha plus beta. Root 3 minus root 3. 0. Alpha plus beta equal to 0. Sum of zeros 0. Product of zeros. Product of zeros or product of elements. Alpha beta. Root 3 into minus root 3. Minus 3. Minus 3. So, quadratic polynomial is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. X square, what is alpha plus beta? 0. X plus alpha beta minus 3. This is equal to x square minus 3. X square minus 3. This is the polynomial. Okay, children? Can you do the remaining? For HW in this, for HW, I tell 1 to 3rd, alpha equal to 1 by 4, beta equal to minus 1. 4th, alpha equal to 1 by 2, beta equal to 3 by 2. Already, these are all in 67 page. If you have a textbook, open 67 page and practice. Do all these, children. We'll meet tomorrow. If you have any doubts among all these, post to me. I will clarify tomorrow. Okay?